Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to remove that awkward middle part? I'll walk you through the easy steps in Canva. Click Create, then choose Videos. For this tutorial, select the Landscape Video option. Next, go to the Elements panel and click Videos. Browse the available options and pick any video you want. Drag and drop your selected video onto your slide to add it to your project. Go to the timeline and find the middle point of this video. Since the video is 10 seconds, that will be at 5 seconds. Click here, then press S on your keyboard to slice the video in half. This quickly splits your clip at the selected point. Set the duration to 10 seconds so that it matches the other side. This ensures the total video timing remains consistent throughout your project. This example video is currently 20 seconds long, which is slightly shorter than our goal. To adjust the duration, you'll need to extend the content by a few seconds. Try stretching existing elements, like slowing transitions or adding a brief clip. This will help you reach the desired length and ensure your video meets the timing requirements for your project. Stretch the video until it reaches 10 seconds. That's how you change the video duration and divide clips in Canva. To play the animation, click the play button. You can also add transitions within your project to enhance the presentation. To do this, click on the spot in your timeline where you want to add a transition. Then, select the transition you prefer from the available options. Adjust the transition's duration and position as needed to achieve a smooth visual effect between your chosen scenes. Add transitions by selecting the clip you want to edit, then click the Transitions tab. Choose your preferred transition, drag it between clips, and adjust its duration as needed. Now you know how to cut the middle out of your videos in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tips.